The sun is blazing, the ground is dry. I stand alone, feeling worn inside. The winds may blow, dreams fade away, but I won't let my heart decay. The clouds are rolling in the sky, thunder echoes, the time is near. Though today feels cold and alone, I still believe the rain will appear. I'm a flower waiting for the rain, standing tall through all the pain. No matter how the cold winds blow, I will bloom when the raindrops flow. Sometimes the sky is like the heart, changing ways, never sure where to start. But hope still lingers in my soul. I believe the rain will make me whole. I'm a flower waiting for the rain, standing tall through all the pain. Come on, how the old ways go, I will bloom and the raindrops fall. Every life must wait its turn, every dream must face the storm. But in the end, when raindrops fall, the world will shine once more. While once night